Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Tuesday, 6 January 2026. Today, Daily Lotto single prediction numbers: number 4, number 9, number 11, number 24, number 32. Today, Daily Lotto single prediction number repeat: number 4, number 9, number 11, number 24, number 38. Today's Lotto second prediction numbers: number 6, number 10, number 23, number 34, number 36. Now Lotto second prediction number repeat: number 6, number 10, number 23, number 34, number 36. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next notification.